first time ever that I washed myself into a waterfall with soap, and it went so good. Like the perfect weather, like it's warm, the sun is up. Like where I went into the water, I'm gonna show it to you. It was where there was full current and where the sun was. It's like the perfect place, the perfect day, like right there. I went there. Like take like 1 minute to wash myself, and with the current and everything clear up, all the soap clear up in a fraction of a second. And then like I was like, wow, it went so good. I'm so grateful. It was definitely needed after all the work I've been doing around the house, the castle. And I look and I see all these dead branch. You see the big town here? All this that was in the middle of the waterfall, like right there. But it's not the first time. I always notice this, but I say, like I never feel to do it, you know. And probably most of the people that come here, they don't feel to remove those branches. Well, it seems like it was today, June 21, 6 months after the Great Conjunction of the 21 December 2020, where Earth finally ascended in the fifth dimension. So today, 6 months later, it takes 6 months to integrate that new energy of the fifth dimension. And you see, I just open up the gate of the waterfall so the current of the 5D energy can flow freely down there. But now I need to take all this and make a pile right there. But I'm used to do that, so here we go. There is a pile behind me. No more pile. The pile is right there. Take a look. All this. You see the boulder right there? Well, the pile is big like the boulder, you know. And all this was right there, blocking all the flow of the water. So I did that, and you know what? During the time that I did this, nobody see me, nobody knows, but when they're gonna come here, they're gonna definitely recognize it. Everything flow now. 5D New Earth. So there was still some branch there, and I throw it on the other side there. So I clear up really all this section that was blocked by all this and some debris, you know, like this one. So now everything is fluid from the beginning, and as you move forward, everything it's clear because there is like lots of current and everything is fluid. And this is like a short waterfall, like the water flow not long, you know. Down there, like it stopped and it's like a lake. So and there is a lake on the other side of the bridge there. So it's a really short waterfall, and it was all blocked right here in the middle. And I'm so happy that I I unblock it, I can feel the shift inside of me, you know. That's what happens when you are really connected and you have the proper health and you're in the right environment. You're gonna feel, when you do something, it's gonna feel good, you know, because it's all health related, what we are here to do on planet Earth. Like, it's the healing journey, not party all the time and waste time and get numb and intoxicate yourself. No, it's the opposite of that. It's fluidity, clarity, the right environment. So I put the right food inside of me. Not just the food, but what I drink as well. So everything inside of my body, the right environment, my kingdom, my precious temple, everything is fluid, everything flows freely. Oh yeah. So I just create this here. This here, I remove all the rocks and I create this little waterfall in the big waterfall. So Chicequilibrestyle have his own little waterfall here, and I clear all this of all the crap. Yep. The new earth is building. That's how we do Chicequilibrestyle.